45 bucks. $45.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Down to the hood. Nice. This looks good, man.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
So, what's your name and what's in here, real quick? If you could put the window up real quick. Just quieter. This looks nice.
I got two Sundown XP215s, 1-to-1 6th order. The rear's tuned to 26, the front's tuned to 55. I got a Sundown SFB, AK on the subs.
Okay.
JP83 on the doors. There's actually some horns right behind your face too. Got 2 10s, 2 6.5s, and 2 cruiser tweeters on the doors.
Nice.
And you got about 128 amp hours of headway lithium. 260 amp alternator, sorry.
Did you build this?
Yeah, I did.
Do you know like cubic space or tuning and bandwidth and all of that?
Yeah, it's about 8 cubes per chamber, and bandwidth probably from about 23. It doesn't really like anything below 23, but it'll play all the way up to 60 plus. So.
Yes, sir. Wow. And you built in the vehicle?
Actually, no, it's a sliding wall.
Really?
Okay. It was like it maximized my
tight space to fit
I had
that
to
in.
take the door off to be able to slide it in.
Wow.
I got it though.
Nice. And what vehicle was this?
2011 Ford Taurus.
Ford Taurus. All right. Yeah, man.
Want to love and want to lose. Sweet delight, I have a truth. What am I? Don't make me choose.
Nice flat response. You got another one?
Oh yeah, I'll give you one.
Okay. So it is do better with one window up?
Yeah, I think that's where it sounds best. So I could either do one window down or like one door open, but like if I try to roll down both windows, it doesn't really like it. So.
Got it. All right.
This is a straight up 26 hertz. So.
Okay.
lame as fuck.
That's good, man. Yeah, it has a good flat response. So it's windy and still can squeeze you a little bit. You're good.
I
Good
wanted
job.
to get a little bit more out of it. If I were to build inside the vehicle, I could definitely
Okay.
probably maximize it a little bit. But I had to build it inside a storage unit. So I don't have a garage or anything like that. So
Oh, okay.
that was the only way I could manage to do
Got it,
anything
yeah.
that big, but
I like the way you have your rear port design layout on this too. It's pretty cool. Good roundovers on it.
I tried flaring. I think I gained a little bit.
Yeah.
With that, but
All right, man. You have a good day. Thanks for showing me.
checking it out, man.
Yep. I'm gonna go look under the hood in the back.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Nice doors. These are an 8,
I know, 10 and a 6.5.
10, and 6.5. Okay.